Today we're exercising and having some fun on the court with our new basketball shoes from Ashion. They come shipped to your door nicely wrapped to make sure it arrives without any scuffs or scrapes. Cut it open and you'll immediately be impressed with the bright red colors and flame designs on the side. These shoes look awesome and even have really grippy soles. The inside of the shoe has a really squishy insole with soft bubbles throughout. It feels like the shoes are giving your feet a massage when you wear these. I got the purple and gold design, and my buddy got these. We laced them up and wore them out to the basketball court and shot around. These shoes not only look cool, but they feel great to wear. They give so much grip on the court and gives you that confidence that you need. It has ankle support that makes quick turns and fast maneuvering possible. I mean, look at this. It gave my boy superpowers. For real though, these shoes make you feel unstoppable. I wear a size 10 and he wears a size 11. Both of our shoes fit exactly as they should, and both look so cool. We had a blast out on the court testing these shoes, and got some good exercise in. Not only that, but we looked fresh out there in our new kicks, enjoying the nice summer day. So if you're looking for a good pair of grippy and comfortable shoes to run and play sports in, these shoes from Ashion might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go listen to the rest of AC's music, and you should do the same. See ya!
What you heard?